Hi, good morning. It's Aki again from Aki's Garage. Welcome to another video. Today is for mileage correction on BMW X5 F15. So let me get inside the car and we just show you what's the complaint. So everything is good on this car. The only complaint we got is let me just show you. Yeah, the only complaint is mileage. As you can see, I don't know you guys, you can see on the camera. Let me just zoom it. Maybe you guys you can see. I think you can see, guys, now. Yeah, the complaint is the mileage. As you can see, the mileage is 57,453, and I don't know what they done on this car. I think they replaced the FEM module, and the mileage is just changed. So the customer, he wants the mileage to 66,910. So let's take the cluster out and then we see if we can sort out this job. Just try to pull it. As you can see, it's got some click, very easy. That's how it comes. You just need to pull those two down. Alright guys, as you can see, there is a two connection, and that's how you take it off. And as you can see, guys, let me just show you guys here. I use this. So when the cluster is inside, so you just pull those clip down and then you just pull the instrument cluster out. So now we're going to take this one to the bench and we try to see if we can pull on the cluster. So I just put that one here, and obviously my camera here as well. I'm just using T10, so you can see it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 screw. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clip. So you just need to take them off like this, and we got one here, and yeah, make sure you guys don't lose this. This one actually goes just right here. You can see here, just goes right here. Anyway, I'll keep that one here. Alright, so yeah, you just lift the whole thing out and we put that one here for now, and then you go 1 and then 2, and that one comes out complete. Now we can put this one back to the actual case, just to protect the just to protect the bolt, and also we can put the actual bottom bag as well. Yeah, just push and that's fine. So yeah, this is the actual top bolt. We do need to work on it. So what I need to do, I need to take this one off, and then the actual EEPROM is behind the board, so I'm just using that plastic. You just lift that one off. You lift that one up, and then that comes out, and same again here, and we go one here, and I think this one is free. And as you can see, guys, with me, I just bring my camera a bit further inside. Yeah, you see, guys, you just need to push those two together, and we go one here, and we go one here on that corner, and finally we got that one here as well. One more up in here, and then that it comes out, so we don't need to do anything on this. I'll put that one back here, and this is the actual module. We do need to work on it. The EEPROM, which is hold all the memory, is on here. I'm gonna try to use the clip. Normally I take those EEPROM out, and then I program it on the special board, and then once I did the correction on it, I put back the EEPROM. But on this, I think I can just click on it. So let me just get my equipment. So I'm going to use VVDI Prog. So let me put that light on. So that's my. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just try to connect on it. I think we got good connection like that. Alright, guys, as you can see, I connect the EEPROM to my VVDI Prog, and the VVDI Prog from the USB is connected to the laptop. So now I go to VVDI Prog, and this is the EEPROM. So I just press read. As you can see, I got all the file has been read. I just to verify to make sure we got good reading. So I just save this one. I just save it. I just save on. Yeah, I just save it here. As you can see, the first two line is just the mileage. I don't know, you guys, you can see what I do. I just modify the first line. I just do that. So capital 1 yeah, 1A 49. Yeah, I just modify the mileage. That should be good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to write everything back to the EEPROM. As you can see, now he's writing everything back to the EEPROM. So that's complete. So I'm going to verify again. That's check successful. So I just close this. Yes. So go back to the module, I mean the dashboard. Sure, take this one off. So I don't think so I need VVDI Prog anymore. So I just put it here, and now I take the cluster back again, try to put everything back. That one as well. So that's all good. As you can see guys, I'm going to turn off this one. As you can see guys, all my plexi cable, it just click nicely back. Now we just put this one back. We put the screw back. Okay, so the cluster is done. So now I'm going to use CGDI. That's very good software to do the BMW. So I'm going to use my OBD cable. Just connect to the car. Oh guys, I connect the the cluster back to the car. So I'm going to use CGDI. So the CGDI is plugged to the OBD port. So from here I go to the BMW. I go here. As you can see, this is the mileage. I go here and I just reset the mileage. As you can see, the mileage is being reset. So I close this one as well. So now I just try to see everything is good. So let me just move my laptop. Alright, just put my laptop here for now. Alright, so put the ignition on, start the car. Everything good here. As you can see guys, the mileage is now on. Let me just zoom in for you guys. Yeah, the mileage is on 66906. So that's good. We don't have any warning, we don't have anything here. Everything nice. The only thing left is a cover for the actual gear. I just put this on back as well. Just line it up, and once you line it, you just push like this. Make sure everything is good here, and that one is, yeah, everything is good. That's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope there is some information for someone, and like always, thank you very much for watching.